So I have to update this slide. But I'm going to tell you the 4 things that are so important to do, and then the 5th thing that helps me. So in the last 14 plus months, I've only had one person ghost me. That means it's been only one person over the course of the year that has not shown up. Everybody else that I personally schedule for an appointment shows up. And I'm going to tell you the 4 things that I do that make it happen. The first thing that I do is I tell them how much time I need. Every single time I'm scheduling an appointment, I'm always talking about how much time I need. Why is that important? Because people get meetings all day and they don't know the difference between your meeting and the last meeting. So if I tell them I need 15 minutes, right out the gate, they can decide, oh, I can squeeze 15 minutes in. But here's the thing you got to keep in mind. Know how long it takes you to do what you do. So if I say I need 15 minutes, I better be able to do what I need to do in 10 minutes. So therefore, I have time for questions and everything. And the only reason I go over, and I'll tell people, hey, it's 13 minutes in. We're done. Unless you can have more questions, then we'll go past. But I don't want to break my word to you. I'm very clear on that. We'll laugh and joke, and then we'll keep going. But they're okay with that because they know I'm a person who has a conviction of being done in time. So I always let people know how much time I need, whether it's 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm very clear right out front when I'm scheduling the appointment how much time I need. And they're always amazed that I'm done faster than I said. I need 15 minutes, we're done in 7. And they're just amazed at that because I know how long it takes me. And I bet if you ask anybody here, I see Mike Bishop here, I see Teresa Johnson.